Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm at my home field of Fox Airsoft with my brand new 360 shoulder mounted camera. This provides third-person perspective. I can see behind me, I can see what my teammates are doing, how we coordinate pushes. It captures it all. And today, I have some really awesome CQB action for you guys, so let's jump right into it. Subscribe if you like what you see, leave a like, and I will see you guys at the end of the video. Yep. And now for the video, it just zoomed in on you. Oh shoot. That just fell. One. Someone push it, it's clear. No push? It's not clear. Sector not clear. I don't have a nade.
Go down that hallway. Down. Down. Pin already pulled? Yeah, pin already pulled. Hold the. What is that? Hey, what's the right? I don't see them.
Just towards the end.
Guy under the stairs, where are they at? Okay, click or shoot from that side. Almost made it. I think I know BB's at.
Yeah, someone's passing, get around the corner.
I can start. Oh, I got it.
Should I push?
Go for it, dude. That was finally tight, yeah.
Should I push?
Go for it.
Looking back at this footage, it does look like I got hit there, but I think a BB ricocheted off of my head. I can promise you that in the moment, I did not feel myself getting hit. Anyways, this guy here in the courtyard is facing towards the enemy team, so I assumed he is my team, which is no tape. However, on his left arm, which he is purposely concealing from me, he does have tape, meaning he is an enemy. This is kind of a gray area when it comes to Fox. I don't think it's right that he is able to lie about his team like this, especially because I cannot see his team indicator. But the flag was broken here in the middle, so we're both just waiting for the ref to fix it before he eventually betrays and shoots me. And to make the betrayal even worse, this happens.
Broken, Corey, we got a lot of people left.
Taped the entire time.
Oh, I totally got you though.
Are you done?
Nah, he should be. I am.
Guys, in the comments below, let me know what you think of this interaction. It is a gray area, hiding your team, but I do also think it's fun when you're behind enemy lines and they don't know that. Of course, that guy was having fun doing that, but the fact that he didn't call his hit while doing it leads me to believe that he's not just being sneaky, but he is being a little bit malicious with how he's acting.
Should do a slide.
Friendly?
Speaking of slides.
Yes, I am sliding.
3 minutes remaining. 3 minutes remaining.
Well, sheesh, he's clearing it. Let's go.
You got me first. You're dead.
You shot me? Did you shot me?
Yeah, I shot you.
We'll go back.
Yeah. Hold this shit down, boy. Okay, watch my right. Do this one.
Yeah.
Hey, watch the outside.
Thank you. Hey, don't give away my position like that, man. Come on.
1 minute remaining. 1 minute. And Pig Team currently holds the majority of the flags. Try to get hit. This round ends in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And next,
Hello. I was out of ammo. They didn't hit me, but I saw it pop around the corner. I was like, oh no.
Good game.
Good game.
Yeah, I got you. I didn't see nobody else get brave after you.
Dude, I saw the shotgun peek. I'm like, uh-oh. That's not good.
That's no bueno.
I really wanted to push for some CQC there within the last 10 seconds, but I was not about to take a shotgun blast to the face like that, so I just stayed where I was. And that is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you guys really like this one, I will try to bring my 360 camera for more third-person gameplay in the future, but the lens protectors I used are kind of expensive for a one-time use like this. So if you guys really like it, I'll do it again. Be sure to like and subscribe, comment down below if you want to see more third-person, and I will see you guys in the next video.